life's gone. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
How to stake kucoin to earn more TWT coin. In order to stake kucoin, you need to have kucoin balance in Binance Smart Chain from your Trustwallet app. Open your Trustwallet app. Once logged into the app, scroll down and click on the dApp Browser tab. Type this website https://pancakeswap.finance/staking on the search bar and hit enter. It will prompt you to the official Pancakeswap site. Then just click on the three lines at the upper right and click on the Pool tab. Scroll down and look for TWT Pool. Then click on the Approved button and then confirm it. Now click on the plus sign. It will prompt you here, where you can type the exact amount of cake that you would like to deposit. Then click on the Confirm button and follow the prompts. After that, you should see your staking balance under your stake. And if you want to add another stake, just simply click on the plus sign and do the same steps. After you have put your kucoin into the staking pool, you will receive your TWT staking rewards in just a few minutes, and you can see it there that it keeps on growing day by day. The bigger amount of kucoin that you will put into staking, the bigger is the rewards as well. Enjoy staking. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell button. That would be greatly appreciated.